Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, you came at just the right time because starting next Monday, we've been waiting in this channel for 3 years, guys. 3 years. So I really appreciate for everyone who has stuck by. You guys are absolutely amazing. But we've been waiting 3 years to boost my car, and starting Monday, this Monday that's coming up, July 26th, we are officially commencing to take down the G35 and start installing the supercharger, because the Saturday of that week we are going to be tuning the car for our Vortec V3 supercharger kit that we're going to be installing on the G35. I'm really excited and nervous too, because who knows, hopefully the engine doesn't blow. Hopefully God gives me some good luck and we're able to drive the car out of the tune shop. With that being said though, I do want to let you guys know we are having a little bet with my subscribers. If we reach 30,000 subscribers by the end of this year, I'm going to go ahead and give away my GTR style tail light, absolutely free. You don't even have to pay shipping, completely free, guys. So if you want to join and help me out, consider smashing that like button and subscribe to the channel to help all of us out. But for today, we're actually going to go ahead and check out a car. It could, I wouldn't say it's the next build, but it definitely potentially could be the next build. We're gonna go ahead, check it out, see if things check off. It does have a lot of defects, but it's okay. I don't want a super perfect car because I do want to learn with the car. I want to fix it. I want to buy new things for it. So if it's broken, not motor wise, I hate doing motor work, but anything else, bro, I'm up for it. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead, check it out, and see if we can, you know, purchase a new vehicle. Maybe I went ahead and posted on my YouTube dashbar or whatever. I know I could kind of like tweet and I was asking you guys if I should post my actual court case. A lot of you guys actually recommended I do not do that, so I really do appreciate for you guys' honest opinion. But I know you guys are wondering exactly how much I actually ended up paying for the ticket. I know you guys are curious. The total ticket and fine to get all that cleared off was $740. It's absolutely insane. Let's just say I paid off the ticket with an 87% discount code. Let's just say that. And that's how much I ended up paying for the ticket. The judge was super nice, and we're finally California legal and we're ready to go out on the road. But let's go ahead and get that cold started for you guys. I haven't started the car in like 3 days. Oh wait, I have the stock exhaust. Never mind, this thing's not gonna be entertaining. Man, that sucks. But don't worry guys, because starting Monday we're going to be installing the exhaust, we're going to be installing the supercharger, and this next weekend on Saturday it should be an interesting episode, because I don't know what's going to go on, but I'm excited, I'm nervous, and man, dude, this is gonna be crazy. Alright guys, we just got picked up by Ghost Flash Productions. We're gonna go hop in his Tacoma, go check out the car, and then after he's gonna take us to this place called Prairie City, and we're gonna go off-roading in the Tacoma. I don't know, he said it's like the scariest thing ever. I don't think it's that scary, but we'll see. Oh shit. Man was getting freaky. Big chillin'. Mural spotted. All right, is he gonna open it?
I think so. Yeah. Obviously not.
Just show up and open that.
I mean, he's seen it.
He's got 2 Miatas, bro. What the hell? Oh, 3.
Parted out.
All right, boys, we officially paid the man. We're officially a owner of what car is this again? I don't even know my car. Sheesh, a Miata NB.
Yeah.
Hey, toss the keys, GTA. Yes.
Oh my God.
Got the keys. Yes, sir. All right, now we just got to discover how many problems this will cause us. How many problems?
When we do an exhaust install, I got an exhaust in the house.
We got to get to it. Let me boost the Q first. I mean the VQ, and then we can start this.
We're gonna have to wait.
Yeah. All right, boys, here we are.
This boy Ruben got the new Miata.
What's better, first gear pull or second gear pull?
First.
First?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Why are you gonna break this bitch? Oh. Hey, it has a short shifter already?
I don't think so. It's just Miatas.
Oh, that's how they are?
Yeah.
Oh yeah? Oh, that's good. This thing pulls, bro. Like, it's actually not bad.
Alright, now while you're pushing this down, push the latch on there and then make sure this is all the way tight.
We're gonna have like TJ Hunt, top flying off.
Make sure this, there you go. Okay. And now close it.
Welcome to the Miata Club.
Yeah, oh, by the way, this is rare. The button usually doesn't
That's
work.
what you said in mine too.
Yeah. And you see this? This is just, that means it's brand new top. They just didn't upholster it already.
Sheesh. 2 cars now.
I can tell whoever had it back
Damn.
because there's the mark.
2 cars, baby. Sick. Alright, let's go have some fun. Prairie City.
Mazda Speed NB.
He swears it's scary.
But I had
Alright guys, we got confirmation from Robert Lieutenant. We're about to be vertical. We're about to be looking up to the mountain. Oh fuck! That's not how that shit works, bro. This would just literally crash. And he said, "You ready?"
Yeah, wait. I gotta find the right angle to get in.
He gotta find the right angle. Oh, there we go. Oh, oh, dude, chill. Alright guys, it's 1:36 a.m. but I will not go to sleep without finishing this video. I know you guys saw me rolling with the Miata, but let me formally introduce the Miata to the channel. Here is my 1999 Miata MX-5 NB. I don't even know how many other names this freaking car has. So I definitely needed a daily. You guys knew that because I do have my G35, and although it's an awesome daily, I am in the process of boosting the G35, and next week on Saturday we actually have our appointment with the tuning date. So starting Monday, we're actually going to begin disassembling the G35 and installing the whole exhaust from test pipes all the way to the single exit, the supercharger, the fuel pump, like literally everything. So this is why I got a Miata. One of my friends let me drive his NA Miata, and it was the most fun thing ever. It drives freaking awesome, and it still does. But let me go ahead and show you guys. I mean, it's not the perfect thing, obviously. Like the paint is absolutely, it's not the worst, but I mean, it's definitely not the best either. It does have, I'm assuming this is like a fiberglass. Here the bumper is made out of fiberglass. It's got chips here. I'm not really interested in the bumper because I am going to be replacing it. It's got some halogen. I mean, freaking, like these headlights are horrible, but you can always restore them, and I'm gonna buy new ones anyway, so I'm not really tripping. Like we're gonna suit this up. Like for once, we're actually gonna go ahead and rice out the Miata and not feel bad about it, because we'll have a boosted VQ by then. And by ricing it out, I actually want to make a decent build. Coilovers, make low, buy some actual nice wheels for this car, and then do a wide body kit on the Miata. I think it's gonna look absolutely insane at the end, and I'm really motivated for this build. Like, I think it's gonna end up looking sick. But yeah, not too much. We got them stock wheels. I mean, the soft top here on the top of the Miata is like decently new. It's in really good condition, and of course you guys already know it's a 5-speed Miata. It's a manual 5-speed Miata, of course. There you guys have it. That's my Miata. It's my NB 1999 Miata. If you guys are wondering how much I paid for it, I paid $3,200 for this car. It has around 104,000 miles, and obviously the exterior is not the best, but that's the least of my worries, because we're about to soup it up, man, and I'm really excited for this car. I mean, I have a vision in mind, and hopefully I can make that happen. Hopefully you guys enjoy the content that I'm going to bring to the Miata, and for you new users that come from Miatas, like, welcome aboard. This is going to be the new whip for a while, and of course our beautiful G35 is always going to be here. But yeah, I'm excited. That being said though, guys, I am gonna go to bed. You guys know I just showed you the clock. It's 1:30 a.m. but I just wanted to formally introduce to you the channel, talk about the car a little bit, what plans I got for it, and just things like that. But yeah, man, I'm excited. Hopefully you guys like it. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll bring you guys some more content. We already got some sway bars coming in for the Miata. We got a new exhaust coming in. Like, bro, I'm really excited for this car, and it drives absolutely freaking awesome, bro. Just like, it's so freaking tight, like I don't know, it's freaking sick. But I'll catch you guys next episode. We're gonna be already putting the supercharger on the G35. I'm super excited for that as well. So I'll catch you guys next video. Thank you guys for all the support. Love you guys. Be distinct. You guys already know. Peace out.